Good evening, friends. Many students have been asking me about how to conduct themselves during the GTO exercises. There are 9 exercises in GTO, as you all are aware, and we all know starts from group discussion to group planning exercise and the progressive group task and the uh, group obstacle race, which we also call it as a snake race, followed by the hub group task, command task, individual obstacle, and lecturate, and it's culminated by final group task. Now, GTO is a smart person. He's looking for many things in you. He's looking at freshers, he's looking at repeaters, he's looking at initiators, he's looking at participators, he's looking at decision makers, so on and so forth. And a person who's new, for him, it's a nightmare of having 9 exercises early morning and then going through one after another, full of activities on that day, in which there is a change of profile of a person which is expected by GTO, but the candidate may not cope up. So this not coping up with the changes in the exercise requirements often leads to confusion and not up to the mark standards displayed by the candidates. This is one of the major reasons that before we attempt the exercises, there is a requirement to understand the flow, or I call it thermodynamics of GTO exercises. So, my dear friends, you must look at the 9 exercises as one exercise and then realize that how do you conduct yourself in this one exercise from the beginning to the end. They all are linked. They all are very, very associated with each other. They are progressive. For a repeater, there is a different way to look at it. For a fresher, it is a different way to perform. GTO has a clear-cut views on this, and he is watching you very acutely to catch on the emerging leadership in you. So I would suggest all of you, make GTO 9 tasks as one task. Think over it, that what are expectations of GTO for my conduct and behavior during these 9 exercises? How do I flow from one to another? How do I maintain my thermodynamic equilibrium? The pressure of high pressure to low pressure, or the high temperature to low temperature, or reverse thermodynamics sometime, wherein you draw back, you withdraw, and you again bounce back. Exact timings, exact place, exact situation, and then you win heart of the GTO. So we need to understand this part very well and try to solve the GTO being a complex exercises to a simple and a very easy handling exercise. Much more on this series. We'll come back to you again. Thank you. Bye.